Let's look into the research design element. So impactful research usually creates a minimum bias in data and increases trust in the accuracy of collecting data. So design that produces the slightest margin of error in experimental research is generally considered the desired outcome. The essential elements are accurate purpose statement, techniques to be implemented for collecting and analyzing the data research, the method applied for analyzing collected details, type of research methodology, then probable objections to research, setting for the research study, timeline, and measurement of analysis. This will help you to produce your research with the proper steps, which will help you also to maintain the timeline and do the measurement analysis later.